Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Vanguard error WAN 1067 in League of Legends. So follow the steps mentioned in this video. First we need to start the VGC service. To do so, in Windows search, type services and open it. Here look for VGC. Right click on it, select properties, in starter type select automatic, click on start to run the VGC. Finally click on apply, OK. Next we have to reset the internet connection. To do this, type cmd in Windows search. Right click on command prompt and select run as administrator. Now you have to enter few commands one by one and hit enter. You can copy paste command from the video description. These commands are safe to use, as this command is just for resetting the internet connection. In order to complete the reset process, we have to restart our PC. So click on Windows icon, then restart your PC and then launch League of Legends and check error 1067 has been fixed or not. If not, then there is another fix. If you have any security program installed on your PC, for example a program called AMD PSP 3.0 device, you have to disable it. Later you can enable it after playing the game. Then open device manager and look for security devices and expand it. You will see TPM 2.0, that is trusted platform module 2.0, and if it is disabled then enable it. If it is already enabled then disable it and then enable it. Now launch League of Legends and check error 106 has been fixed or not. I hope any one of the solution mentioned in this video will fix the error for you. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.